What's up, guys, and welcome back to Athena's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be testing out some Super Clean products. Let's get right into it. Shout out to Super Clean for sending me these few things. They did send me a shirt, but it's actually in the washer right now. They sent me this pretty nice hat. I actually really enjoy this hat, especially the American flags on it. So they sent me 3 products to test out, and I'm going to go ahead and try the wheel cleaner today and see how good it works. This is the stuff we're going to be using today. All wheel cleaner. Foams away grime, brake dust, and super easy, super fast. We're going to be testing that out to see. Here are the directions. I will be following these today. We're going to see if it messes with this wheel or not. It's working on my wife's Hyundai Sonata out here. That's what I'm going to be trying it on. Here's my wife's really dirty wheel. This is not a hubcap. It is actually a wheel. So we're going to test it and see how good this stuff works. I'm not going to agitate it. I'm just going to see if it'll knock off some of this stuff. But it does say to make sure to use cool water. So I made sure to run the water through the water hose. I'm going to spray it off, rinse it off with cool water, and then soak this stuff, spray it all down, foam it down, and let it sit for 30 seconds and rinse it off and see how it looks. So here's a look at the wheel right now. All right, so let's rinse this sucker off. Doesn't look that much better rinsed off, so let's see. Turn the little spray nozzle to on and start spraying. It does say to just do one wheel at a time because you do not want this to dry on the wheel. I have not cleaned these wheels in a long time as well. So let's just see without agitation how much it cleans off. Give that 30 seconds, even though it's probably already been 30 seconds. I'd say that's been 30 seconds. Let's spray it off. I don't think this is going to do much. Okay, well, there it is sprayed off. It does maybe look a little bit better, but I am not super impressed yet. So I think what I'm going to do now is squirt it down again and then get a microfiber towel and try to scrub some of the wheel and see how that looks. Got a little cloth here. I'm going to rinse it down again, soak it with some Super Clean here, and see how well this works. See. Let's just try down here on the bottom. Let's like do the bottom half and see if we can tell a difference with some agitation here. They are not paying me, so I'm just kind of doing this on my own accord because they did send me this, and well, I will say everything's kind of wiping off really easy. There is some paint missing on here. That was not from this product, just a warning there, or not a warning, a tip, or, I mean, wiping it off, it came off really, really easy. I'm actually impressed with that. I mean, that looks a heck of a lot better. So, scrubbing with some agitation really seemed to help a lot. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell in this video. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side too. I'm going to do the other half of this, and then we'll look at this wheel compared to the other side, because the other side is just as dirty or worse. And we'll do that side too. Well, there's the after. I mean, this wheel looks pretty dang good. Again, there's some paint missing on this wheel. There's some stuff that was already scuffed up. This is car's 2013, so it's not perfect condition, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed. Here is the other side. It's in the shade, so maybe you could see a little bit better. It's, again, pretty dirty, not clean. There's brake dust and all kinds of gunk all the way around it. I wonder how well just water in a rag will help clean this off, if it'll literally do the same thing. So let's see. This time I'm just going to use this rag and see if it's just as good. Stuff is coming off, but will it come off as easy? Will I have to do more scrubbing? That is the question. I mean, I already feel like I'm having to do more in these cracks than I was on the other side. There's still stuff here on the side that's not coming off. Let's see. Will it come off easier with the Super Clean? Or the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. How much of this I'm supposed to use, I have no idea. But I've squirt quite a bit on here. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for 30 seconds. It's probably been that, but the other side was in the sun, so this side shouldn't have a problem drying as fast. It is pretty warm today though. It's like 90 degrees already, or warmer. Rinse it off. Okay. Now that it was on there, does it come off easier? I mean, it seems like it does. It seems like some of this stuff is just wiping away versus me having to scrub it away. Where I was kind of working pretty hard up here. Now it kind of just one wipe and it comes off. So is it worth it? You tell me. I don't know. I mean, it's a product, and it seems to be cleaning, which is what it, I guess, was designed to do. I think the Super Clean Original will be pretty beneficial to me on like these dirty foilers, and maybe if I get another dirt bike or motorcycle or something, cleaning them up. I have a feeling it will really help, especially around the motors. We'll see next time I work on one. Let's see now. It's worked pretty good. But I will say the wheels look a lot better than they did. Will they stay this clean? Absolutely not. I live on a dirt road, so they're going to get dirty super quick. And this does not claim to keep them clean. It just will supposedly clean them a little bit easier. Overall, I would say it's a pretty good cleaner for what it is. I know you can get this stuff pretty easily at a lot of retail stores. So again, shout out to Super Clean for sending me this stuff. I appreciate it. Again, they did not pay me to say any of this stuff. They just sent me this little care package, and I thought, why not make a little video for them? So I really like the hat, and that's a bonus to me. I like hats. The Super Clean wheel cleaner seems to work pretty good. I have not tried these two yet. On the next project, I will probably try these out and see how good they work, especially for grease, because most of the time, most of the motors I've been messing with, the grease is pretty bad, and it never, none of the cleaners I get work well, so it'd be cool to see if these things work, but yeah. That's going to be the end of this one, guys. If you want to pick up some of this stuff, I'm sure at Walmart or somewhere there's some stuff. I'm not affiliated with this company, so I'm not going to drop any affiliate links. It works all right. I mean, I'm not boasting it. I'm not praising it crazy, but anyway, I don't even know what I'm saying. It's super hot out here. It's only 81 in the garage, but out there in the sun, it is 90 at least. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. Bye.